Hi, I'm TLockhart and I will be giving you a tutorial on how to use the cataloging module of the Follett Destiny 13.5 Library Management System. We will go into the library view. As you can see, you can view either the library view or the resource view. And if you go to the catalog tab, you will see several tabs on the left. You can do different type searches. You can add a title. You can do you can import titles. You can export titles. Update titles. Update copies. Also, when you're getting ready to do a search in the catalog, you can do a search by either your title, keyword, author, subject, or series. So, by performing a power search, which is where we are now, you can limit your search to a certain type of material. After entering your search term, you can select the type you want from the material type list. So, say for instance, if you want to just do a search on oceans, you can limit your search titles by clicking here on the material type, and you click here and you have several types of resources that you can find in the media center, like your books, computer files, equipment, kits, maps, globes, and atlases, music, and so on, videos, ebooks. The setup for material types can't be done here in our media center at the school. It has to be done at the district level. So, a couple of questions for you just to see if you were understanding our tutorial so far. Question 1. When you log in to the Destiny automated system, what tab do you click on the home page to open the cataloging module? If you answered catalog, the catalog tab, you are correct. That takes you right into the cataloging module. What type of search allows you to limit a catalog search to a certain type of material type? If you answered power search, that will allow you to limit a catalog search. Next, let's talk about deleting materials. So, if you wanted to delete a resource, a book, or any type of AV equipment, you simply go to update titles, update copy, and what you would do is delete a copy. So what we're going to do is just click in a barcode, and we will type in T87465. You would then click track as weeded, and you would click go. And so now I have deleted Lockwood and Company, The Screaming Staircase. If I wanted to delete a batch of copies of books, I would then have to beforehand go ahead and create and save a text file listing the barcodes of the copies to be deleted. Once I save this file to my desktop. I will then click on the Browse button and upload the text file. Then I will select the Track as Weeded checkbox, and to delete the copies I will simply click Update and hit Yes to confirm. So, to delete an individual copy of a material, you have to click Track as Weeded. Is that true or false? If you click True, you are correct. To delete a batch of copies, you do not have to upload your text file listing your barcodes. Is that true or false? If you answered false, you are correct. Now, we'll discuss how to add materials. So what we're going to do is go to Add Title. And what you want to do is just decide if you want to add a book or, a piece of equipment, pictures, videos, but in this case we're going to add a book into our catalog. And you can either do that by searching the title, the author, subject, and what we're going to do is search by the ISBN number. So the name of our book is The Screaming Staircase. We'll use that same book that we just deleted, and we'll enter that same book into the system. Hit go, and then you would then click on the title, and you would go to Add Copies. Now you can decide on how many copies you have. I only have one copy, so I just leave it as one, and then we're going to add in a new barcode. Now we ordered barcodes from the Follett company, so we already have pre-printed barcodes already. So I will type in our next barcode, which is T87524, and our call number will be the purchase price will be $7, and then I would save my copy. You can also delete that particular barcode or that copy by just hitting the delete copy, the trash can right here, that icon, and you can click here as Track as Weeded and click yes. Okay, so next we'll talk about correcting MARC records. So a MARC record is a machine readable cataloging record, and they can be corrected in the Destiny automation system. So the first thing we're going to do is go back to catalog, the tab catalog, and then we'll go to a power search. Let's just put in that same book. We'll just type in the title, which is The Screaming Staircase, and do a search. From there you click on the title, and then you would go to Edit Title, and from there it will show you a copy of the actual MARC record where you see all the tags. You can add a tag here, or you can delete a tag. by pressing on the trash can. So, my question to you, a MARC record is a machine readable cataloging record. Is that true or false? If you said true, you are correct. The last part of my tutorial will be using an authority file for subject headings. An authority record contains the preferred form of names, uniform titles, series titles, and subject headings. Authority records help library patrons find the resources that they need. The authority records are developed by the National Library of Congress or private publishers. Adjacent to each heading field, you find a button or an icon that allows you to find the correct heading and copy it to the bibliographic record you are working on. So let's click on the catalog tab. You click on catalog, you do a basic search. We'll put in our same book, The Screaming Staircase. Click title, and you then go to the title itself, hit edit title, and then you will go to use easy editor, and then from there you will go to find heading. From here you can select authority headings, authority files for your subject headings, and then you just select which one you want and just hit go. So my last question, what organizations normally develop authority records? What organizations normally develop authority records? That will be the National Library of Congress and also private publishers. This is the end of my tutorial. Thank you.